Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can mask your photos on Google Slides. So I'm just going to insert an image here. I'm just going to search for like a picture. I'm just going to use this one, and then I am just going to select the crop, but select shapes and select this one, and we're going to make it smaller. So press the crop button again and just crop it so it's like smaller like this, and then press this and you're just going to shape it like this, copy and paste it, and like move it to the right and select the crop button, and you're going to move it to the other side. Hold on. You're going to move the crop to the right side, and you can like make the crop smaller or bigger if you'd like to. Did I not copy and paste this? Sorry, I thought I did. Let's try that again. There. Then I'm just going to move it to the side like so, and I'm going to make this bit a little bit smaller. And you're just going to do it for every thing if you want to. I'm just going to do it for like 3 times because I don't think I have time to do another one. I'm just going to move it a little bit closer if I can. If not, I'm just going to leave it, and I'm just going to like place it till the edge of like the slide, and you can like change the background color if you'd like to. Can I? Okay, no. Let me just add in like a custom one. Okay, select done, and like you can insert your text or whatever here. And yeah, that is it. So this is what it looks like when it's a when it's a slide. I selected the wrong one. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!